we're going to keep building. Like I've always said. I'm going to keep building. So we've got these two things. This is going to go right here, like that. Okay. These. And two of these. I need two of those. Put those together. Put this on like this. That's going to help with the details on the side of the building. Alrighty then. So put this through here. I'm going to put this one here. Then I'm going to build this wall. So I got these two things like this. Oops, sorry. There you go, in the middle. Like this. Okay, so they go like this. Then I bring this one by one, this one by one. And I take this part, click it in like that. I'm going to put this here. I'm going to take these two, put that one there, that one there like that. Okay, and then I'm going to put this on. Oh. I have two of these on top, like that. And this is going to go on top like that. And this is going to go there. Yep, just like that. Okay, then I need, this goes here, this goes here, this one goes here, this one goes, doggone it, goes here. Now, pretty sure that I'm going to line these up and get them all connected at some point, but for right now I'm going to leave them like that. Okay, so my next build on this is going to be those two, and then I need this one's going to go here, and this one's going to go here. I can get it to click in there, and then you'll see, because this is up and down, I'll straighten that out just a little bit if I can. Nope, I can't, because this keeps falling off. Okay, I'm gonna leave it alone. Anyway, you saw what the elevator buttons look like. Now I'm gonna take this piece, and I'm going to make something very strange here, but that's okay, because we can do this. Okay, this goes here. This one's going to go here. I'm going to put this over there. This is going to go here. This is going to go here. Like that. Okay, so there we go. Alright, now, my calculations are correct. Yep, I got a few more pieces to collect because I need them for the actual, so this is actually going to be a copy machine, and it's going to go right over here. It's going to have a door that opens up and all that, so I will see you in the next video.